All right, welcome back. This is part 2. Still working on the same gold pendant. We're adding some brown. Adding some brown. Trying to make it curved. Adding some black. Trying to make it appear to be more curved. Add some black underneath the kitty cat. Trying to make it stand out. Has to look 3D. A black behind the ear. A black up there. Alright, I'm going to try to show you why you need to be careful with the highlighted areas. This is it's a flesh pink color. I'm going to be using this instead of the white today. I thought it'd be fun. Do you see how you can't really tell that I'm making it whiter? But it is blending the colors. We are blending the colors. It's not making it whiter, but it is blending it a little bit better. Should we put in some gemstones? I think we could put in some gemstones. And start thinking about what we want right here. I think this needs something. Alright. Put in a ruby. Let's put in a ruby right here. Put in a ruby right here. Try to make it round. And since this is facing forward, we're going to add the link part. And we're going around. And right here is going to be the forward link. Here's the top link. I'm going to put a link right there. It's all just crazy by the hand. Then we have to, do we want it faceted? We're just going to throw some shapes in there. Color in some facets. and yet an even lighter color. This reflection's kind of bright. We're gonna add some more purple. Add more purple around each link. I might even start making it darker. We're gonna make this darker just so you can see. One side will be darker than the other. We'll see which side pops more. Go in right in there. Alright. Now that we colored that pretty dark, we're going to come back here with the bright yellow. Alright. Bright yellow. This stuff has the other colors that we threw in there like before. The browns and the reds. This is a darker purple. Which we're hoping will make the yellow gold stand out a little bit more. Alright, we're going back to the kitty. Darken in a little bit around the kitty cat. Yeah, this bright yellow is too bright. Come up here. Again, as a brown. We're just gonna add brown to the outside, just the edge, just a smidge. The ruby's dark. That's a blood ruby. Now some of these coloring pencils are watercolor, so if we go back and we add water, it'll turn it into watercolor. Start adding some. Mute this down a little bit. Alrighty. We are thinking. We are thinking. We are drawing and thinking. We're going to try to see if we can whiten. I'm almost getting ready. I'm going to pull out the paints and add a layer of white paint. highlights. And that's 10 minutes. Part 2 is over. See you in part 3.